Whenever I'm craving a crispy, juicy chicken sandwich, this is what I make. I've listed the ingredients down in the caption if you want to make yourself a small batch of Cajun seasoning. To prepare the chicken cutlets, cut a chicken breast in half horizontally, then place a parchment paper on top and hammer them down until they're about a ½ inch in thickness. For the coating mixture, mix together panko crumbs, grated parmesan, and the Cajun seasoning. Then in a separate bowl, whisk together an egg and milk to make the egg wash. Then take a piece of chicken and dredge it in the flour, then dip it into the egg and then into the coating mixture. Make sure it's nice and coated and then place it on the prepared sheet pan. Repeat with the rest of the chicken and drizzle a little olive oil on top and then into the oven they go. While they're cooking, prepare your toppings. I'd like to slice some tomatoes and some thinly sliced red onion, and you're ready to build your sandwich with some lettuce, your chicken, onion, tomato, your favorite hamburger sauce on the toasted brioche bun, and you're ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.